afternoon. Steve from All-Star Case Breaks doing Obsidian football for Victor. Ronnie Harrison, rookie.
I mean, you can use whatever you want, but I've found that they beat up your card. Oh, yeah.
28 out of 100, Raquan Smith.
Anything in this case.
18 of 25, Boston Scott. That's got a cool effect on it. For the Patriots, 9 of 35. Too bad that wasn't autographed. Cutting edge patch. David Njoku, 88 of 100. Jamon Moore for the Packers, 3 of 10, gold. Nice, Victor. And for the 49ers, Dante Pettis, 33 of 50. Victor, 1 to 10. Where to? Nah, Walter, my feelings are still hurt. Box 3, okay. Victor, good luck. Shield of a big rookie, right? Good luck, Victor. Mike Hughes. $85 of 100. 24 of 100. Charles Haley, Aurora autograph. $5 of 100. Rashad Penny, rookie eruption. Uh, 96 of 100. Atomic Materials, Harrison Smith. Oh, Don, I've got more if Victor buys it all. 25 of 25. For the Ravens, let this be autographed. There you go, Victor. Lamar Jackson. Nah, that's not so bad. Yeah, there you go. Famous Jameis Winston, 72 of 75. Victor, way to keep going, man. Never stop at 1 or 2. Harrison Smith, that is 48 of 50. Yeah, nice hit on the Jackson. Congrats, man. 1 to 9 if you want more. Thanks, Victor.